All right, everybody, we're sitting in some nice luxury. This is luxury right here. Luxury and performance, the perfect mix. The 2017 BMW 740i. We're usually filming 750i's, and usually they're around 2012s, somewhere around that age. So it is really nice to be sitting inside of a 17 model, but then a 740, holy moly, right? Let's see what it's all about. Check it out, test drive it. Everything here today on CCV at You Got It SMC. Here we go. All right, everybody, we're sitting inside the 2017 740i BMW XDrive. And anyways, just getting my steering wheel into position, just got the mirrors into position, and my seat is good. This is pretty much the layout that you're going to be looking at inside of a 17 model BMW 7 Series. And it's really nice. I mean, it's just a really good looking car. And everything just really flows nicely on the inside. I'd call that the fit and finish. Now, being a 17 model, it does have some newer age technology features on it. I like this one here where you can kind of put your hand on there and just kind of move it around. So you're starting to see on cars that came out in 17, 18, 20 models, especially in your more luxury high-end vehicles, just interesting features like that with the touchscreen stuff. So pretty cool, right? Anyways, you also have a digital gauges right here, right? So look at that. It books out around 160 mile per hour, rev lines at 7,000 RPM. And this car has 88,000 miles on it, 88,490 to be exact, as you're seeing right there. Okay, so just kind of diving in. Again, this is a pre-owned car. Now, what you got going on with my channel on YouTube, Charleston Car videos, if you're a first-time subscriber, is you're getting an opportunity to watch videos of vehicles for sale, and also getting to see vehicles that aren't brand new but are a couple years old or older, and also vehicles that you love but have higher mileage on them. So it's a really interesting video to say, hey, look, let's see the current condition of the car, how it's held up over the years, and let's see how it rides with this many miles on it. Because you got to have the mindset to go, you know, some people, not saying you, but some people may not be able to go out and buy a brand new BMW 7 Series, right? But maybe I can go out there and afford one that has a bit more mileage on it. So you still want that type of car, but you're going to have to get it with more miles on it. So you don't get to really go on YouTube and watch videos of cars that are pre-owned that much. All right, guys, let's go ahead and we're waiting for the traffic to lighten up a little bit, and let's give it some gas and let's hit the street. All right, when you hit about 5 miles an hour, the car door locks. Still feels pretty strong motor wise, and acceleration is good right there. Felt nice. We're gonna take this street right here. Steering feels good. It is an all-wheel drive car. You know, it's got a long wheelbase on it, but man, it rides smooth. This one also has the M Sport package. So you got the HUD system, which is the heads-up display, and many more interesting things. But so far, so good. Feels good. Look at that old school tanker truck. Yeah, that's neat. So if you're watching right now, please hit the like button. Let me know that you enjoy these videos, and leave us a comment, okay? I'd really appreciate that. All right, man, this feels really good. And it's just so comfortable sitting on the inside. It's just got a really nice feel to it, which I like. And that house we just passed looked really cool. All those pretty bright colors. Beautiful blue skies today here in the North Charleston area. All right, stay with us. We're going to pull into our spot, and we're going to hop out and start looking around a little bit at this gorgeous vehicle, because I know you're ready to see it. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, everybody, so here it is, the 2017, BMW 740i. Under the hood is the 3.0 liter V6 twin turbo. This vehicle now, I'm telling you, It is absolutely gorgeous. So anyways, let's start walking around checking it out a little bit, right? If you're in the market for one of these, I think you're gonna enjoy this one. And you might actually be in the market for this car right here. So I got it running. Now, on the front of the car, the kidney grille, man, it's got some size to it. I mean, everything on this vehicle is basically what we would call supersized, right? Everything's like ×3 compared to your 3 Series, your 5 Series, and whatnot. Headlights look good. I'm loving the daytime running lights. I always have. It's got cameras all over the place. One right dab in the middle of the kidney grills right there. Then you got them on the mirrors and in the back so you can see all around this car. Now, most of y'all watching are probably pretty familiar with this car, possibly, because I've found that most people buying higher end vehicles from us, they already know all about the car, right? But that's because they do stuff like we're doing right now, watching videos, checking them out. The condition of this pre-owned car, though, is really nice. And that's really the main thing we're looking at today is how is the condition of this car with 88,000 miles. Now, I like the headlights here. Check this out. This is kind of cool. It has like a brushed aluminum look. Could be brushed aluminum, not sure, but it looks like it, right? I'm liking that. That's pretty sweet. Just the little things like that that really kind of set it off. BMW LED headlights. Driver's side, passenger side body we're on right now, but there's your LEDs. There's another camera right there. Now this one doesn't have any tinted windows at all, okay? But it does have the shades in the back windows and in the back. Also has a sunroof in the front and one in the rear. Doesn't open up in the back, but the front one does open. Boom, look at that, there you go. Also, it's got soft touch doors, of course, so you don't want to slam the doors on this car. Another thing, carbon core, which is something BMW does. And on both sides, it'll have that right there to let you know that it's carbon core, okay? So you got your carbon core. Oh boy, just look at it. Is that not absolutely beautiful? The black on black is so sexy. Man, I love everything that it provides. So many options for comfort. I'm loving the door sills with the silver and all that stuff. The door panels with the stitching, the wood trim, everything like that. It's a really, truly an incredible car. Don't slam it, just like that, okay? Anyway, just moving right along here. For people in the back, man, this is where you want to be at, honestly, other than the driver's seat, right? You got these right here. They're going to add a little more shade, especially if you have a child sitting here or paparazzi trying to take pictures at you in the window. Look at this. I'm assuming this is some type of ambient lighting at night. I can't wait to do a night review on this one. You still got an ashtray here, even in 2017, because people still do smoke, okay? Harman Kardon stereo, component sets, storage here, buttons to control everything. Look at all the leg room in the back. My goodness, that's a lot of leg room. A lot of leg room. Anyways, very nice. More air vents. Boom, boom, boom. Dual climate in the back. Just beautiful. Got the mirrors here so the ladies can do the makeup. Okay, I'm assuming that's what that's for. Or guys, if you got a little something in your teeth. But very nice, very nice, very nice. Anyways, we'll look more back here in a minute. Just kind of cruising around the car. Okay. The rear end is definitely a nice attribute on the 740i. I'm loving the rear end. I mean, most of us like the rear end, you know, of the 740i or 750. I also like the quad exhaust, or not the quad, but the dual exhaust in the back, how they're pretty flush down there. And also how this isn't chrome, it's black, which again, kind of just flows, right? All right. Power trunk. Of course it's a power trunk, right? And a big trunk. Books and manuals sit right here. Very nice. Got all that. First aid over there. So, nice big trunk, right? Yeah, I like it. I like it. I really do. Such a sweet ride. And just so pretty. Man, it's beautiful. I mean, this car is in great shape. Again, 88,000 miles on it. Got the 19-inch wheels, 245/45 series tires. Man, good-looking wheels, too. Look how massive those rotors are. All right, let's go ahead and just pop in the back seat real quick. Open her up. We always do this. Plenty of leg room, okay? So you're good there. I'm 6'1", plenty of room in the back. How's headroom? Plenty of headroom. I mean, we're good. Got a lot of space in the back of here. What other amenities we getting, right? Yeah. Nice and big, of course, opens up. Storage in there. There's no buttons or coolers or anything like that. Cup holders. Somewhere around here. Anyways, they're right there. And again, you can change your climate controls. You got a spot to put a phone right there. But just really nice, really nice. Handles, more ambient lighting, your sunroof. And then if that's not enough, you know, you can grab in here and you can, I think you can close it up. Yeah, you can. You can close all that up from back here, but I'm not going to do that right now because I want some light to come into the inside of the car. And look at that. Oh, boy. Is that not a absolutely beautiful place to sit at and drive your car? I mean, man, just look at it. I mean, who would not want to get in this car and drive it every day? I mean, it's just that sweet of a ride. Yeah, this is sweet. It's solid. It's got tons of features. It's beautiful. Man, it's nice. Memory seats, power windows, power door locks, all that stuff. I love how BMWs just kind of put a little silver here, a little wood trim there, a little more satin silver there, you know, in all the right places. And that's really what I like about it so much. Everything's in just the right places. You got your heated and your cooled seats. Your buttons look good. Your screens look good. Open this up. More spots to charge things. I like how this kind of goes to here and then boom, goes to there. Didn't know that, huh? Check it out. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right. Real quick before we go, let me let you take a look under the hood. Now, on a 2017 BMW, 2 times on the pull down here. 1, 2. When you pull it the second time, the first time pops it open. Second time, unlatches it completely. So basically at this point, you're just walking up, grabbing, pulling up, okay? No more having to search for somewhere to unlatch at. That is so annoying. So I think BMW's kind of got it on point with the boom, boom, 2 pulls, okay? Very nice. And then there's your twin turbo 3.0 liter. Now again, you can opt in to get you a 750 with a twin turbo engine as well. I think it's a V8, yeah, a V8 twin turbo. So what the differences is when you're talking about power, 445 horsepower to the V8 version and around 320 on this one, okay? So, you know, here's the thing. Are you buying the car to cruise around town, go to work, go shopping, do those types of things and enjoy yourself? I mean, honestly, I think the V6 twin turbo is going to do just fine for you. Or are you buying it because, hey, I want to do all those things, but then I want that V8 with 445, so when I hit that gas pedal down, this bad boy just tears up the roads, right? That's fine if you want to do that. And you can find yourself a 750i for sure, right? Going to be a little more money, but you can find one. But I think there's nothing wrong with going ahead and find you something just like this with this engine as well. At the end of the day, it's a beautiful car. It's going to be a nice one for you to drive on a daily basis. And, you know, be a great daily driver. And also, just all around, fabulous vehicle. All right, everybody, seatbelts on. We're going to drive her back on down to Southern Motor Company. I want you to listen real quickly. I'm going to quit talking for a minute. I'm going to roll the window up, and I want you to hear the difference between the window down and the window up, and so you can understand how quiet the cabin is. Here we go. Windows down, air conditioner off. Let's go ahead and roll it back up. It's quiet. It's really quiet. It's almost quiet like an electric car if you've been watching some of my videos, okay? Like an electric car. Look Look at that screen, man. That's sweet. Yeah, it's quiet. Let's see how much louder it gets when we start driving it. All right, here we go. This tightens up on you around the first 5 miles per hour, and then the doors lock. So it's letting you know your seatbelt's on, it's tightening it up. It's got a ton of technology inside this car. We didn't even talk about all the technology it has, safety and all that stuff. Oh, it felt so good just now. That's nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. If you wanted to buy this car from me, it's $33,900, okay? $33,990 plus $500 sales tax in South Carolina. If that's what you want to do, come hit your boy up, Chad, at SMC. If you're not buying a car, just please hit that like button. We'll see you soon.